Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to check your Walmart gift card balance using the phone in 2025. Now the first thing you need to do is locate your gift card information. Now you can find your 16-digit gift card number and 4-digit PIN by checking your physical card. If there is no physical card, the PIN is located at the back beneath the silver scratched off area. But if you are using an e-gift card, the PIN is included in the confirmation email. Now the next thing you're going to do is to call Walmart automated customer service at 1-888-537-5503 1-888-537-5503. Next is to fill the prompts and provide your gift card number and PIN when requested. The system will inform you of your current balance. It's as simple as that. Note that if your gift card doesn't have a PIN, you can use it in store, but not for online purchases. To obtain a PIN, visit a Walmart store to exchange your card for one with a PIN. Beware of phishing, so only use official Walmart channels to check your balance. Avoid third-party websites that may attempt to steal your card information. By following these steps, you can easily monitor your Walmart gift card balance. Thanks for watching.